Hey everybody, this is Robbie Tidwell with Northwood Machine. I want to talk a little bit today about cleaning your table. A lot of times you see people on the table with brushes and CLR cleaner, Ajax, whatever they can find to clean their table. I'm going to show you a pretty simple process here that you can do with your machine. And the tools we'll be using today will be a Blick mini texturing head and some 4-inch snail lock brushes. The one we're going to be using today, since this table is not in real bad shape, is going to be a 400 grit. In some situations, if it's been quite a while since you've cleaned your table, you may want to start with maybe even a 100 and then step up as you go. But today we're going to be using a 400 grit. So the first thing you'd want to do is touch off the tool to the table. So I'll be showing you that here in just a moment. So we'll get this loaded up and we'll be right back with you. All right, so what Kevin's doing here, he's going to touch that tool off. So what we do is we jog the tool down till it touches the top of the surface of the table, and we apply roughly about a 1/16 of pressure, so 60 thou pressure, and that's where we set our zero line. All right, so what we're seeing now is this thing's doing a diagonal pattern. The last surfacing program that Kevin ran, it was running vertical. So what I like to do is always alternate the path so it's not following in the same path every time. So we'll let it run through this path. If we get an acceptable finish, which we are, it's looking very nice, looking like a brand new table, we'll be ready to start running jobs. So let's see how this thing turns out. All right, so some specifications for the tooling. We're running about 2,500 RPM and we're running 600 inches a minute. So I'll give you a time on this. This will give you a good before and after shot. See how nice and new it looks here. And there's the old. Very nice.
Brush. Yeah. Brush.
All right, there you have it, guys. Less than 11 minutes, you have a refinished table. Looks just like brand new with the Blick mini texturing head and a texturing brush. Again, we started this one with a 400 because this table was in pretty good shape, but if you need some additional abrasive, you might want to start out with maybe a 100 and then work your way up. Again, we were machining this at 2,500 RPM and we was running at 600 inches a minute. Just stay tuned to the Northwood website for more videos on how to. Appreciate you being with us.